Welcome to our exploration of the world of cryptocurrency, where digital currencies are reshaping the future of finance. In this 5-minute journey, we'll demystify the concept of cryptocurrency and dive into its significance, technology, and potential impact. At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, it exists only in the digital realm. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is the foundation of cryptocurrencies. It's a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to alter, ensuring security and transparency. To maintain the blockchain, miners solve complex mathematical puzzles. They're rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency coins and transaction fees. Cryptocurrency matters because it challenges traditional financial systems. It provides financial inclusion, allowing access to financial services for the unbanked and underbanked. Security, reducing the risk of fraud and identity theft. Transparency, enabling transparent and efficient transactions globally. Moreover, cryptocurrencies have gained mainstream acceptance, with businesses, institutions, and even countries recognizing their value. However, cryptocurrencies also pose risks. Volatility. Prices can fluctuate dramatically. Regulatory concerns. Governments are still formulating rules. Security risks. Hacks and scams are prevalent. Future of cryptocurrency is exciting and uncertain. It may become a fundamental part of our financial system, but challenges must be addressed. The key is education and responsible investing. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is more than just digital money, it's a transformative technology. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious, understanding this world is essential in our evolving financial landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of cryptocurrency.